This year, Santa has a very special helper to prepare gifts, personalize packaging, and make every present unforgettable. Meet the magic behind the scenes. Dry DTF printing technology. We start by printing designs on specialized Dry DTF film using CMYK plus White inks for bold, vibrant prints on both light and dark surfaces. Next, the heat press brings the design to life. From fabric gift bags to acrylic greeting cards and Christmas pouches, each piece becomes unique. Peel the film and watch the magic happen. Crisp details, strong adhesion, professional results. Dry DTF works on fabric, acrylic, glass, wood, and paper. One solution, endless possibilities. Custom gift bags with names, beautifully designed greeting cards, ready to be wrapped and gifted. Here, every gift tells a story, from personalized fabric bags to greeting cards made with love. Because it's the details that turn gifts into memories. With Dry DTF, Santa's helper works faster, smarter, and more creatively. Turn every idea into a sellable product. This season, print the magic.